A small introduction to Nostr, which is a decentralized alternative for Twitter, Telegram, etc. Nostr is a very simple protocol that is used to transfer data between peers. There is no need for a central server for the connection and storing the data. The connections are facilitated by so-called relays. They only help in setting up the connection, but are not functio as a man in the middle. The software, the Nostr protocol, is open source. A relay is only passing information from a connected peer to another connected peer, based on the Nostr protocol. Anyone can set up a relay server with only basic technical requirement. Relays talk only directly to users. Every Nostr user runs client software to fetch data from the relay or publish data to the relay. You can build your own client, using the Nostr protocol to know how to interact with the data. Client software is created for platforms like iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, and on the web. To create and distribute posts, a user needs keys. We have a public key to share, and a private key to prove you are the owner of the post. A public key is like a postbox, to be found by everyone. This is derived from a private key that is like the lock of the postbox. Within your client software, all messages are signed using these keys. And the messages are encrypted. Only the peers communicating can decrypt the data. What are the key differences between Twitter on the left and Nostr on the right? Twitter is a large, centralized environment. All data like posts, video and pictures are stored on the central Twitter servers. From a privacy perspective, this is an issue. Nostr is fully decentralized, using the small relay servers where no information at Twitter or Telegram servers are running proprietary software. It is difficult to create your own version or user interface. On Nostr you can build what you want. At Twitter there are algorithms that moderate the posts, and in addition human moderation is used. This can lead to reprioritize posts and ultimately in deplatforming users. With Nostr there is no moderation within the protocol. At user level, a client could build software to only connect to known people or introduce small financial barriers to prevent spam. There is also a possibility to create special relay servers that only allow known users. But all is open for developers, the protocol does not care. On the client side, Twitter comes with its apps and some API options. It includes following other users, prioritizing, groups, etc. In Nostr, client development is booming where several clients are being built. But obviously the user interface of the Nostr clients are not yet as good as the current Twitter app. In Twitter we need to identify using a phone number or email. Although Twitter also has a lot of bots. Every user has to identify with user identifier and password. But that does not prevent a lot of trolls to live on the platform. Costs at Twitter are recovered by advertisements and selling your data. Creators are almost not compensated. For Nostr there are almost no costs involved. The clients come with the hardware included and there are volunteers who run the relays at low cost. Creators can generate revenue using micropayments via the usage of the Lightning Network of Bitcoin.
Thanks for watching. Please comment on flaws, mistakes, ambiguities, etc. I will update after I receive feedback.